Shenzhen Fucheng Hook Loop Company Limited is a professional enterprise specialized in Velcro, webbing elastic ribbon, and many different kinds of derivative products in Shenzhen, Guangdong Province. In strict accordance with strict international quality management system, Shenzhen Fucheng Hook Loop Company Limited has advanced equipment, stable production capabilities, and highly skilled management teams. We provide the quality products and satisfactory services for customers at home and abroad. Many of our major products have passed RoHS conducted by SGS in line with the environmental protection standards. Currently, stable quality and after-sale service makes us gain lots of customers all over the world. Shenzhen Fucheng Hook Loop Company Limited persist in the management objective of stable quality products, satisfactory service, competitive prices, and prompt delivery, which can meet customer satisfaction. An advanced management system, flexible employment policies, customer-oriented business philosophy has been good for a company based on a good foundation. The dream of Shenzhen Fucheng Hook Loop Company Limited is to become a famous international brand company in the world. We work hard towards our dream at all time. We warmly welcome both domestic and abroad customers to our factory for visit and business. If you are interested in any of our products, please also feel free to contact us for more information. We look forward to cooperating with you on the basis of our mutual benefits in the near future.